Are you thinking about getting into crypto but unsure where to keep your coins safe? You're not alone. With so many scams, hacks, and confusing wallet types, it can feel overwhelming. In this video, I'll break it all down in simple terms. What a crypto wallet actually is, why you need one, and the difference between hot wallets and cold wallets, so you can decide which one is right for you. Let's dive in. So first, what exactly is a crypto wallet? A crypto wallet is a tool that lets you store and manage your cryptocurrency. But it doesn't hold the coins themselves like a regular wallet holds cash. Instead, it stores your private keys, which are what gives you access to your crypto on the blockchain. Think of your private key like a secret password. Whoever has it can access and move your funds. So the wallet's main job is to protect that key and make sure you can easily send and receive crypto. There are two main types of wallets you'll hear about. There's a hot wallet and then there's a cold wallet. Let's break these down. Hot wallets are connected to the internet. They're usually apps, browser extensions, or software that live on your phone or computer. Some examples include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and exchanges such as Coinbase or Binance. They're convenient and you can trade or check balances anytime. But because they're always online, they're more vulnerable to hacks and phishing attacks. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline. They're physical devices, kind of like a USB stick, or even paper with your own private keys written down. The most popular cold wallets are hardware wallets, like the Ledger or Trezor, because they're not connected to the internet. Cold wallets are considered much safer for cyber attacks, but they're less convenient. But you need to plug them in every time you want to make a transaction. As a good analogy, look at a hot wallet like cash in your pocket. It's easy to spend, but it's riskier to carry around. A cold wallet is like the money in your safe, harder to access, but much more secure. Now let's talk about custodial versus non-custodial wallets. A custodial wallet is where a third party, such as an exchange, holds your private keys for you. This means you don't have full control of your crypto. If the exchange gets hacked, shut down, or freezes your account, you could lose access to all your funds. It's similar to keeping your money in a bank. It's safe, but ultimately it's controlled by somebody else. Some real-world examples show why it matters. In 2014, the Mt. Gox exchange, which at the time handled around 70% of all Bitcoin transactions, was hacked. It lost over 850,000 Bitcoin, and thousands of users lost everything. Fast forward to 2022, and you probably heard about the collapse of FTX, one of the biggest crypto exchanges out there. Users thought their funds were safe in custodial wallets. But after mismanagement and fraud were uncovered, FTX froze all withdrawals and billions in customer assets disappeared overnight. Then there's BlockFi, a platform that also paused customer withdrawals during the crypto downturn, leaving users unable to access their funds. These examples show that if you don't control your keys, you don't fully own your crypto. Now, compare that to a non-custodial wallet, where you control the keys. You're in charge of keeping your private keys safe, and no one else can freeze or access your funds. This gives you full control, but it also gives you full responsibility. If you lose access to your non-custodial wallet and didn't back up your seed phrase, your crypto is gone. So always store your recovery phrase in a safe place, offline. So, what's the right wallet for you? If you're just starting out with small amounts, a hot wallet is fine. Just make sure to enable 2FA and only use trusted apps. But if you're holding large amounts or planning to invest long-term, consider getting a cold wallet. It's a one-time cost for peace of mind. Many crypto users out there are actually using both. They have a hot wallet for daily transactions and a cold wallet for long-term storage. So now you know what crypto wallets do, the difference between a hot and a cold wallet, and custodial versus non-custodial. And most importantly, how to actually protect your crypto. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.